Well, hello. I'm the Rifter. And
I'm Mrs. the Rifter.
no one cares about that. She's just like a test subject at the moment. My microphone's not up loud enough, so I guess I gotta turn that up. There we go. Now we're popping. Alright, well, today we're going to show you how to remove adhesive, like tape adhesive, from very expensive countertops that you may have purchased, like butcher block.
Unfinished butcher block.
Unfinished butcher block. She said she wanted me to do all the talking, but she won't be quiet right now, so.
Whatever.
Yeah.
So right there, they had tape. Taping a piece of paper to this beautiful countertop. And I've done everything I could think of.
Until she consulted with her husband.
And then my husband came in from mowing the grass. He said, why don't you use acetone? So I got this gel nails removing whatever. It's got what we need in it. I forgot.
It's got what plants crave. It's Brondo.
Yeah. Acetone. There we go. That's the word. Acetone. It's got acetone in it. So I put some on this little cotton swab. And I just rub.
She's special, isn't she, folks?
And it's gone.
It's not really gone.
It's more gone than it was after scraping and using rubbing alcohol and sanding. I did too much. And then it's like, use acetone. Oh, okay.
So now she's mad at me for suggesting something that works.
It works.
Go with the grain.
You know what? You can still kind of see it, but it's definitely better than it was.
By the way, they do use acetone to remove finishes from wood, so I just figure it would take off residue without harming the wood. I can't see it.
Can't tell where it was, can you?
No. I mean, can you still see it? You said you could still see it.
A little bit, but bend it down just a little bit.
I mean, I literally can't see it, so.
I wish I would have taken a before of what this looked like compared to now, because before you could see tape residue, tape residue, tape residue, and now you cannot. Beautiful, beautiful.
And you were working on this for how long while I was mowing?
You know what? Don't bring up old crap, okay? Thanks for watching.
All right. Well, if
like, share, subscribe.
All right. Well, if this helped you, like, share, subscribe. You know, the usual. Don't you be cutting me. The judge told you about that. Would you? Seriously? Yeah. Wow. Lost train of thought because I was about to get murdered.
Oh, whatever.
Like, share, subscribe. You know. Would you get the freaking thing away from me? She's holding a razor blade to me.
Do I scare you?
Yes.
You think I would do that?
Kind of.
Wow.
After last night trying to line up the cabinets. Yeah, kind of.
Wow.
So I'll show you guys the kitchen real quick if you're trying to figure out what I'm talking about.
Let me get out of the way.
But like, share, subscribe. You know, we're at 941. No, 900.
It's closed.
That's not funny. I'm at 900. I have like 59 people left to 1,000. Thank you. This is the kitchen that I'll put a before picture up, but we have put all these in ourselves. And
we are not professionals, by the way.
no, but check this out. Hey Google, turn off the kitchen lights. Hey Google, turn the kitchen lights on. Oh, yes. Anyway, yeah, you're welcome. Bye.